In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Gryphline account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in this link user.gryphline.com/register. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Gryphline. From here, you'll directly be able to register for your account. So what you have to do is simply provide these informations that you can see on the screen. First of all, click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. Now after you enter the email, what you have to do is click on this option get code that you can see on the screen. Now a code will be sent to your email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Gmail. Simply click on the email sent by the Gryphline. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the code, memorize this code. Go back to the Gryphline tab. Now what you have to do is simply enter the verification code over here. Now create the password for yourself. Click on the field of password and create the password. Your password must be between 8 to 30 characters and it must include both letters and numbers. So create the password accordingly. Once you do that, click on the field of re-enter password and re-enter your password over here. Make sure the password matches. Now what you have to do is check on this box, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. If you also want to subscribe to marketing emails, you can check on this box that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter all these informations, click on this option register that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your registration has been successful. Now your account has been created. So that is how you create Gryphline account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.